Amid growing political speculation, Bengal's leader of opposition Ritubrata Banerjee has ruled out any possibility of a merger between the Trinamool Congress and the Congress. His remarks come at a time when political circles are abuzz with discussions over the future of the TMC and its relationship with the Congress. Speaking on the issue, Banerjee said there is no chance of a merger between the two parties. He claimed that the numbers within the TMC camp continue to rise. According to him, the current count stands at 64 MLAs and is still increasing. Banerjee said the support for a merger proposal is virtually non existent within the party. He asserted that majority of legislators do not support such a move. He further claimed that most TMC MPs are also against any merger with the Congress. The same sentiment, he said, is reflected among municipal representatives, district council members, and panchayat leaders. According to Banerjee, party workers are elected representatives want the TMC to maintain its separate political identity. The statement comes amid a period of intense political activity. Over the past 2 days, senior leaders from the TMC and Congress have held high profile meetings in New Delhi. TMC National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee met Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. The meeting drew significant attention. It came just a day after TMC chief Mamata Banerjee met Congress leader Sonia Gandhi in the national capital. The back-to-back meetings triggered speculation about a possible political realignment. Several reports suggested that discussions were taking place over closer ties between the two parties. Some even linked the meetings to rumors of a possible merger. However, Banerjee rejected those claims. He maintained that the meetings had no connection with merger discussions. According to him, the interactions were part of regular consultation among opposition leaders. He said opposition parties often meet to discuss political developments and coordination on national issues. Political observers believe the meetings were primarily focused and succeed. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.